Minasan konnichiwa, Rampant Sensei desu, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write the first 5 hiragana and some sayings to help you remember them. Now, just like English, Japanese have 5 vowels, but whereas ours are A, E, I, O, and U, the Japanese vowels are A, I, U, E, and O. And you've probably noticed that the Japanese vowels are said differently to ours. So A is said as A, I is said as E, U is said as U, E is said as E, and O is said as O. Let's start with A. This is A, and you're probably thinking, oh, how can I remember that? Well, we have these little sayings that help us remember each of the hiragana, and the one for A is Arthur pulled the sword from the stone. Okay, so here's Arthur, and here he is pulling the sword from the stone. Arthur pulled the sword from the stone. And when you're writing this one, draw the hilt first, then the sword, and then you can draw the stone like that. Okay, so that's Arthur pulled the sword from the stone. Arthur pulled the sword from the stone. The next one is E, and we can remember it by eels swim side by side. Okay, eels swim side by side. So here's a big eel on the left, and on the right is a small baby eel. Okay, eels swim side by side. I don't know if eels actually swim side by side, but it sounds pretty good and can help us remember. Now when you're writing this, draw the big eel on the left, and you can put a little flick in there, and a small eel on the right, and it doesn't need that flick, okay, for the right one. And that's E for eels swim side by side. The next one is U, and it is U for ooh my back. All right, and over here we got a person, and they're in pain because here's a box and it's landing on their back. Okay, it's going to hit their back right here, and so they're saying, ooh, my back hurts. Now when you're drawing this, you got to do a curve. Even though it's a box, you got to draw a curve for the bottom of the box, and then the person bent over like that. Okay, and that's U for ooh my back. This is E. Okay, and it is E for exercise. So we got our person and they're running. 2 hands, here's 1 foot, here's the next foot. And if I draw some speed lines, it looks like they're running, and they're running because they're exercising. So this is E for exercising. And when you're writing this one, draw the neck first, and then the bottom part kind of looks like a fancy Z, like a little lowercase z. Okay, so that's E for exercise, like that. The last vowel is O. Okay, and it looks like this. O. And it is O for on the green. Have you ever played golf? Well, here's the flag, here's the hole, and here's the ball just missing the hole and landing on the green. So it's O for on the green. And when drawing this one, draw the flag first, then the hole curves around like this in 1 stroke, and then the ball just missing the hole and landing on the green. So that's O for on the green. Okay, now that we've learnt the R line, we can already write a few words. We can write O, which is Japanese for blue. We can write ai, which is love. We can write I, which is good. And we can write ie, which is house. And that's the R line complete. In my next video, I'll show you the car line and how to write that. So until then, matane. And don't forget, you can find more videos like this and some games to help you remember your hiragana at spacekoala.com.